Hello everyone, welcome back to another banger video. Today, we're going to be talking about the Global Interpreter Lock, or GIL. So yeah, let's hop right into it. GIL is a mechanism used in the C Python interpreter to synchronize access to Python objects, preventing multiple threads from executing Python bytecode simultaneously. This is necessary because C Python's memory management is not thread safe. The GIL was added to Python to make it easier to integrate with external libraries and to simplify memory management. Without the GIL, accessing Python objects could result in simultaneous modifications, leading to inconsistencies or crashes. The most significant downside of GIL is that it prevents multi-threaded CPU-bound programs from taking advantage of multiple cores. In other words, even on a multiple core or on a multi-core processor, your Python program is effectively only using one core at a time, and this is due to GIL. Alright, so here we're going to quickly create two threads to count up a large number. Alright, so here we created two threads to count up to a large number. You might expect this to run about twice as fast on a dual core or more processor, but because of GIL, the threads don't truly execute in parallel. And Replit is probably going to run out of storage here, so this won't really work here. Right? So if let me stop this before it crashes. If we use Python's multiprocessing module, we can bypass the GIL and make use of multiple cores. So we're going to do that now. Alright, so here we create two processes instead of two threads, which results in a significant speed up. I don't know if they'll run this. Oh, what did I forget? Oh, here. I doubt Replit will run this anyway, but it will run a lot faster because we created two processes instead of two threads, and basically it's multi-processing even though it's still only using one core. Line 13, what I do? Oh, here. Oops. Yeah, I doubt Replit will run this, but basically that is how Python GIL works and how to sort of work around it and use more than one core. That's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed or found it helpful, drop a like on this video down below, and we'll catch you in the next one.